and they are processed a little bit individually and then just a little bit of sidechain. So this is a auto pan set up to essentially be a pseudo sidechain and just ducks out of the way of kick a little bit. Okay, and then the next channel. So 2 reversed claps that are positioned quite strategically to sound like they're kind of rolling over one another. And when we combine that with the kick, gives that kind of scrapey, scratchy push and pull in the sound, and combined with the first loops. And then this group tops 2, pretty heavy processing on this one.